Hello people, hello world, this is Aisa from Asia and welcome to my little tiny home again. Before we move on, I want to remind everyone that I'm doing this video for fun, so no one is obliged to subscribe in this channel. However, if you're here to watch the video, I want to thank you. But if you're here to support and subscribe in this channel, then thank you so much. I appreciate you. All right, then let's move on. Last week I purchased another bag. Yes, another bag. I know it's crazy, and it has arrived 2 days ago and managed to unbox it, and it is the Coach Bandit Crossbody bag. The Bandit, and it is the smaller size, which is 19 centimeters wide, 11.5 centimeters height, and 8 centimeters in depth. It is in tan rust color. I love the color because I find it so stylish, so classy. You can easily pair it with any outfit. You can wear it in any season, and very simple looking bag. Reasons I got this bag. Firstly, I've been eyeing for this bag since Coach launched it because I love the style and quality. In my opinion, this one is one of the best bags that Coach ever produced when it comes to style and quality. It is a very simple, stylish looking bag. It's rectangular shape. Look at this, very simple. And the leather, both external and internal, are made of full grain leather. So you can see here it says genuine full grain leather. You guys, the quality of the leather is of high quality. I am not an expert, but you can feel it. It is real thick. You can smell it. You can tell it is of high quality. It's solid leather. And second reason is because it is on sale in iconic website. I got this with 30% discount, and I'm very happy with the purchase. Third reason is because I've always wanted to have the smaller size bag like this. This is what I'm looking for. This is perfect for me. It has black linings on the side of the bags, as you can see over there, and this is something very special, which I love. It comes with the 1941 horse and carriage hang tag. I find it so special. It comes with brass hardware. You can see here it says C, which stands for Coach, and the 2 D-rings here, where you can insert the crossbody strap, which I'm gonna show you later on. It has no feet. However, the design of the bag is kind of elevated so that these sides of the bag can support the base or the bottom of the bag if you want to put it on the table, chair, or on the ground. And it comes with external pockets over here, and it is a snap closure like that. Did you hear that, guys? It is so satisfying. Listen to this one more time. Oh, I love it. Love the sounds of it. And the internal, this upper side of the bag is the same color as the external, which is tan rust. However, in the main compartment is sort of mocha brownish color. Let's take off the gel. And it comes with a snap pocket here, there, the snap pocket, another compartment in the back, and another compartment in front here. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So it is a very small bag. However, you can definitely put your very, very basic essentials. It's not a big bag, just to remind everyone. All right, it is a petite bag. And it actually has, I just noticed, it has a 1941 stamp, and I find it so special. Yeah, what else can I say about this bag? I cannot wait for this bag to age with me. I am so excited and so looking forward to see this bag ages. I mean, the leather, the more it ages, the better it gets. In my opinion, this leather is amazing. So I'm gonna show you the crossbody strap. It comes with 6 holes. It is detachable and adjustable. So this is how you do it. I prefer mine in the shortest setting. So I am 5'5" tall for reference. So I'm gonna show you how it lands on my body. There you have it. So there it is. It is. And if you do it like this drop is just perfect. Just perfect. This is how I like it. I prefer it this way, or this drop. I don't like it too low. Just perfect. There you go, guys. There you have it. And to wear it as a shoulder bag, so you just kind of pull this side here, pull this up, and voila, you have a shoulder bag. There you go. It's so cute. Another option is, I'm thinking about this. This chain is from my Coach Cassie 19. However, the clasps here is too small for the D-ring. I mean, I can actually put it on, however, I struggle taking it off. So I'm not gonna use this. I thought that it would be a nice option to have a chain to use it as a shoulder bag. So I will definitely buy another chain so that I have an option. Yeah, I thought it would be nice. Okay, let's try what we can fit inside this bag. So I have this iPhone with me. I believe this is 17 centimeters. So, ooh, it fits perfectly. And I have this tiny, skinny card case from Kate. Kate, thank you so much. I love this one. It's empty at the moment, but I've already used it. I used this one for my quick errands day. And so I'm gonna show you guys. Let's put it in. I have my hand cream. I have dry hands. I always carry this with me. And I don't carry heavy makeup. I only need my lip balm and my lipstick with me. I look pale without lipstick, and that's all I need. So I usually carry this one every day. However, because this bag is petite, I'm gonna take it off from here. And this too, I'm just gonna use the snap pocket here and put them in. Yep, it fits. And my headphone, and voila, everything fits inside. I still have my hand sanitizer here. However, I can only put this in this position, which I do not like because it might spill inside the bag. So especially this is leather, not a good idea. So yeah, but I'm just gonna show you. So it fits, as you can see, but again, I'm not gonna take this with me because you can find hand sanitizers anytime, anywhere nowadays. You know that, guys, right? So I guess that's all I need, just the very basic essential for, you know, quick errands. And yep, I can close it, and there you have it. I'm ready to go. Ready to go. I just cannot wait for this bag to age with me. I want to see the leather ages, you know. I just love it. And so yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. I guess that's all for today. Thanks for staying with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. But again, I'm not a professional bag reviewer nor an expert, but I will try my best to answer your question. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. So have a lovely day, have a lovely weekend wherever you are. Be good, be safe, be kind, everyone. And yeah,